Hey guys, welcome back to another live. Hope everybody is doing great. Back live on YouTube. I'm not able to go live until the moment. So for today, I'm going to YouTube only. I'm just getting started. Let's get the lights up. I'm going to be live here for about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay. And then I'll come live again later tonight at around 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Welcome back, everybody who's just joining. Hope you guys are doing great. Let's get the likes up, please. Let's give this get the likes to 10 guys. Right now there's one like. You guys can please hit that thumbs up button. That'll be greatly appreciated. Okay, once we get to 10 likes, then we can get started. Okay, we can start with analyzing gold. I'll start off by analyzing gold, and then after that move on to other. So let's get the likes up, guys. Hit the thumbs up button. I hope everybody can hear me, by the way. Y'all let me know in the comment section if you can hear me. Y'all able to hear me? Let me know in the comment section. Can you guys hear me? Okay, perfect. Yes. Okay, perfect. Okay, and I think we are at. Can you guys please get the thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button on YouTube. Let's get the likes to 10, guys, please. We have right now, there's 30 people watching. If I can get everybody to hit the thumbs up button on YouTube, really appreciate that, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna get started because we don't have a lot of time the analysis. So let's start off by analyzing gold on the daily time frame, and then after that we'll go down to like 1 hour and everything. Okay, so gold is currently trading at 26.68. That's the current price right now. And on the daily time frame here, we can see the market structure is currently uptrend. And yesterday we saw a huge dump in the price of gold, and that's because of the US election. Okay, because of the fact that Trump won, gold had to crash, because Trump has a lot of plans to make the US dollar strong. As a result, Trump winning it was not going to be good for gold. Okay, so because Trump won the election, that basically caused the US dollar to be stronger, and then gold to be a little bit weak. So the price of gold actually dumped really bad yesterday. And as it was dropping, it actually broke a very important support on the daily time frame, which was 2708. Okay, so 2708, very important level that the market unfortunately failed to hold. So now on the daily time frame here, you know, there's a high chance the price is going to continue falling further down. Okay, because yeah, it has lost that support here. So now we have now strong resistance at 27009 all the way up to 2762. This is now a very strong resistance that the market is most likely going to retest before continuing heading down. Okay, so for gold, we in the long term we want to look for selling opportunities. Okay, we can look to sell at around 2709. The price should go back there to retest that resistance, and then that would be a good area to enter a sell for the downtrend that is about to start. Okay, so basically, yeah, that's it for gold here. We have strong resistance at 2709. So between 2709 and 27 let's say 2706, actually. That was the lowest point. Not 6, sorry. 2708. Okay, that was the lowest point it went here. So 2708 all the way up to 2761. That is a very strong resistance for gold. So when the price gets to that level, just look to enter a sell, because the price will definitely dump once it heads back there. Second. And GBP/USD is also heading up. I'm going to look at it as well soon. Let me just complete the gold analysis. Okay. So yeah, we have strong resistance at 2708 and 2762 there. Strong resistance for gold now on the daily time frame. In terms of support on the daily time frame as of right now, the price is heading towards support here. There's currently we have a small support between 2638 and 2657. This is where I have this purple box here that you can see on my screen. That is basically the level gold is currently using to bounce off. Okay, I believe this is going to be maybe the area gold is going to use to actually bounce back up to do a retest of this before continuing down. So we can look for buying opportunity in the short term. For gold in the short term, best area to buy right now the best area to buy right now is between 2638 and 2657 right now. Gold. Okay, so but the price has already bounced off. As you can see, I'm going to go on the lower time frame so we can see the price actually starting bouncing off. But if it returns back to this level again, 2638, 2657, you can enter a buy again. And then yeah, and the stop loss, okay, I'll say set your stop loss slightly below 2635 there. Okay, 2635. If you want to be extra safe, then 2020 setting it below 2600 would be way safer, just because even if the price does return here, sometimes it might even actually come down here at 2630 and we still have very strong support. Okay, 2630 all the way down to 2600, very strong support. If the price breaks below this one here, it could bounce off at 2630 and to head higher. Okay, so the best area to set your stop loss would be around 2600 if you're trying to target the retest of 2700, which the price of gold is most likely going to do. So yeah, so that's basically it. Now let's head over to are you in any trades? Not at the moment. I'm not in any trades yet. I did enter a trade earlier this morning before coming live. That was a buy on gold. but I'm already out of that trade. I'm waiting for the next opportunity. I'm actually looking to sell gold. I have a few minor resistances here that if gold rejects from, I'm going to look to enter a sell. Now this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, what we see here is that, okay, let me mark this. This is a 5-minute resistance. Price is already breaking above that. So on the 1 hour time frame here, right there, okay, so we have resistance 26.16, 26.27. Okay, not just there. Okay, I'm gonna just delete this. Okay, so resistance right now 27.05 all the way to 27.28 on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, that's the current resistance on the 1 hour time frame. This is actually the best area to enter a sell. When the price comes here, enter a sell. Okay, so that's between 27.05, 27.28. When the price gets there and it gets rejected, just go ahead and enter sell. You know, that would be a quick selling opportunity right there. Stop loss above 27.35. Okay, so this is where you would want to set your stop loss. Oops. Yeah, around here. Okay, and then in terms of support, like I said, currently on the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour, even daily, current support is 26.38, 26.57. This is where the price is currently bouncing off. Okay, but once it hits a resistance, okay, it's going to return back here again. You can enter sell again there, because eventually the price is going to come here. Okay, eventually it should. Whenever price breaks below a support, it tends to go back to do a retest. So that's why I'm saying eventually price should come up here before it continues heading down. Okay, because in the long term for gold, it is slightly bearish. So we've entered a very we've broken a very key level on the daily time frame. So yeah, so currently we have small resistance here. Okay, this is for scalping opportunity here. Small resistance here, which price is currently approaching. If it gets rejected, this could be a temporary sell to take. Okay, temporary sell. I think this is an area where we could see a potential retracement or pullback before the price goes up. Okay, so you can look for sell right now at this resistance in the short term between 26.75 and 26.83. Okay, so between 26.75, 26.83 there. Okay, let's see how the price is reacting. I'm gonna go to the 1 minute time frame. It's already approaching that. It's getting there. Once it hits that, it's already starting to get rejected there. But once it gets here, either this level or at the top here, it's going to start selling off. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on that level. I'm going to watch it on the other screen while we analyze other things. Okay, this here, just so you know, it's just a small resistance. Okay, price will get rejected, maybe fall down a little bit, but eventually it should continue going higher. The major resistance is all the way up here, 27.05 all the way to 27. That is the major resistance. That's where the price is going to most likely react heavily from, but this one is just a minor resistance. Okay, so let's analyze something else. Okay, so for gold, I hope you guys understand you want to look for selling opportunities and best area to sell. Okay, 27.05 all the way to 27.27, good area to sell. And for buying, best area is 27.57 to 27.38, good area to buy for now. Okay, all right, so now let's head over to GBP USD and analyze that one as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's get the likes up, guys. Let's get the likes, hit the thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe. Okay, so GBP USD currently 1.2874. That is the current price, and this pair here is currently in a downtrend on the daily time frame. Here we're currently in a downtrend. This is a downtrend that we entered the moment the price broke below 30. Okay, 1.30. That support here, the price broke below it, so it entered this downtrend. Yesterday the price basically pushed all the way to the resistance here that we had on the daily time frame. The current resistance as of yesterday was around 1.30. Okay, so it's around 1.3070, and we can see the price went to that resistance, and then the following candle here, the following daily candle, it received a massive rejection. Once again, this is due to the US election. If Trump didn't win, the price was going to most likely head up, but unfortunately, yeah, the price ended up getting rejected right at that resistance there, and then it headed down. Okay, so we're still in a downtrend for GBP USD, and our resistance here currently on the daily time frame is still at around 1.3070. Oh, sorry, 1.3043 actually. Okay, so 1.3043, that's the current resistance for GBP USD on the daily time frame right there. Okay, and then in terms of support, well, we had this support here at we have a support at 28.45, okay, which was this low price made on the daily time frame before pushing up. So the price is currently at that support, and it's currently hanging on that support. Okay, we're seeing the price pushing up from that support. So if it can hold this support, if it can really try to hold this support, then there's a chance we could bounce back up again. Okay, but if it fails to hold that support, then the next support we have for this pair here is sitting down here at 26.72, 28.05. Okay, so between 26.72, 28.05. Okay, that'll be the next support for GBP USD. If we lose the current one, which is 28.45 there, once we break below that, we're dumping down here. So you want to look to buy between 26.72 and 28.05. Okay, and then set your stop loss slightly below this support here, this low here. 26.16 would be a good area to set your stop loss if you're buying between 26.72 and 28.05. Okay, that would be a better area to set your stop loss. So that's the daily time frame. Resistance is still at 1.3043. That's a good area to sell. If the price returns there, gets rejected, we can enter a sell there. Okay, so now let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see what's happening on the 1 hour. Yesterday on the 1 hour, we can see as the price was going up, we had this upward movement. Okay, and then yesterday, if you guys are in my Telegram group, you would know we entered a buy for GBP USD. If it wasn't for the news, that buy would have played out. It was because of the news that unfortunately unfortunately the price did not respect that support where we took the buy from. Instead, it ended up breaking right through it. So we took the buy for GBP USD right around here. Actually it was down here. Yeah, it was around 1.2980, 1.2975. Okay, so it was down here. It was expecting the market to push up because of this market structure here. Okay, so the price was in this nice uptrend, and then it had broken above this previous high, which was 130, it went all the way up to 1.3044. So it was coming down, and 1.30 was supposed to act as the support for the price to push up. But instead, the price didn't hold the support. As you can see, it came, didn't hold it, it broke right through it and started heading down. The moment the price broke below, this is the support here. So this, from here, 1.30 all the way down here was the support, 1.2935. That was the entire support. So once price broke below this level here, okay, 29.35, then it basically lost it. Okay, so now it just crashed. That was it. So that was why we lost that sale, because yeah, it broke below this important support. Now let's see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we see the price going down, and then right now we're seeing resistance at 29.25. Okay, so that's the current resistance, which GBP/USD currently has on the 1 hour time frame, 29.26 to be more precise. Okay, 29.26. price got rejected there already twice, 1, 2, and right now it's forming a double bottom on the 1 hour time frame, so it's most likely going to push up to this resistance again. This is why GBP/USD right now it's a buy. I'll say to enter buy for GBP/USD and target this resistance 29.25, 29.26 again. If it breaks above this, then you want to enter another buy. Okay, if we break above 29.26 there, then just wait for the retest and then you can enter a buy. Once it breaks above 29.26 there, it is heading all the way up to around 30.37. okay, but for now our resistance is here. If it gets rejected here again, this could be a good area to enter a sell for GBP/USD. For now, you don't want to enter a sell right now. Where the price is right now, it is currently a support. You don't sell a support. Best to wait for the price to hit this resistance once more, 29.26, and if it gets rejected there, then you can enter a sell. Okay, but if it breaks above it, then you can enter a buy. All right, and then the next area you would target would be around 1.30, 1.3043. okay, that will be the next area to target. We do have this small resistance here, but the price should be able to break above that to head higher. Okay, so once it breaks above 29.27, it's most likely coming here, come back down, and then head up like that. Okay, so you could look to enter a buy above 29.34, buy above that once the price breaks above that. And currently this is a buy. Okay, for GBP/USD, this right now is a buy, and target 29.26 for your take profit as of right now. Okay, so that is a quick trading opportunity you can take right now for GBP/USD. And for this one, we're just gonna have one take profit. Okay? So one take profit, and then in terms of like stop loss, 28.30. Okay, so all right, perfect. Let's head over to the next pair here. Okay, so hopefully this buy on GBP/USD plays out. Okay, if it doesn't, that's fine. Very low risk here. Okay, and then the next buy would be around 28.04. okay, if this one for whatever reason price breaks below, okay, then 28.07 will be the next area to buy. Okay, but I don't expect it to happen because we have a double bottom here. Usually whenever we have this pattern, price always comes up to the resistance here. Okay, this high. So yeah, if you take that risk, just make sure you manage your risk properly. All right, now we are aware about GBP/USD. I hope you guys understand. If you have any questions, anything you don't understand, feel free to comment down below. Okay, make sure you comment down below if there's anything you don't understand. Now let's head over to I guess we can analyze USD JPY because I saw a request there for it. So let's take a look at USD JPY next. All right, so USD JPY, let's start off with the daily time frame, see what's going on here. On the daily time frame, okay, on the daily time frame, what we are seeing, we see here the market is currently bullish. Okay, not a surprise. USD, you know, it's been bullish for a while now. Currently it is at 151.19, approaching this resistance on the daily time frame, which is sitting at 155 155.25. It's approaching that resistance there, and we have currently resistance at 153, which is the price is currently breaking above. Okay, so 153.82, that's the previous resistance on the daily time frame. Price is breaking above that, okay, which is great. And then the support currently on the daily time frame is sitting at 151.29. okay, the support is currently sitting at 151.29 here on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have support here. Now, because the price is going up, you want to look to buy. Okay, right now we're breaking this resistance 153. Once we break it, we're most likely heading to 155. So this here is going to turn into support. You could, I can't see your screen. Can you guys see my screen? Are you guys able to see my screen, please? Let me know if you can see my screen or not, because someone is saying they cannot see my screen. Let me just know. Can you guys see my screen? Guys, let me know in the comment section. Can you see my screen? Yes. Okay, perfect. So for the person who says they can't see my screen, I am not sure. Maybe leave the live and come back again. Maybe there's like a problem with your connection. Okay, so USD JPY, okay, for now, because the price is going up, we need it to close. We need the current daily candle to close above this resistance 153. Once it closes above it, this level is going to turn into support here. You can enter a buy at the retest of that support. Okay, 153.87 will be an area to enter a buy here on the daily time frame, and the level that the market has to hold in order for this uptrend to continue is currently 151.30. okay, so to be precise, like 151.29. yeah, 151.29 is the level it has to hold. And breaks below 159, it's gonna head lower. Okay, on the daily time frame we'll enter a down trend, but for now it is an up. Now let's head over to the 1 hour. Let's see what's happening here. On the 1 hour time frame, we had a bearish trend here. Okay, price was in this bearish trend. We can see it broke above, headed higher. Okay, so now, and then of course on the 1 hour time frame, it's breaking this resistance here that's on the 3. So now on the 1 hour time frame, we have some support that the price is currently has built down here, okay, 153. 153. Let me just mark it down. So 153.13 here at the moment seems to be the best area to look for a buy. Okay, so between 315, 153.75, that seems to be the correct area to look for a buy. I don't encourage entering a buy here. I mean, buying here, it's a little bit risky, but you can take the risk if you want to buy here and target this high here. Okay, 155. Just set your stop loss below 150. Okay, like 153.005 would be the best area to set your stop loss if you want to just take the risk, because I mean, there's a high chance it's going to push up here. Okay, you want to take the risk and buy at this level here, then set your stop loss below 153.05, because that's the level that it shouldn't break. If it breaks below this, it's going to crash further down. Okay, so I would say either buy here, which is a bit too risky, or buy here, which is a lot more safer. Here, so at 153.75, between 153.75 and 153.19, that would be a better area to like buy. Okay, and the target would be 155. You don't have to target exactly 155.23, but you know, anywhere before that. If you're buying here 153, if the price comes here 153.75 and you buy, just target this previous high as your first take profit, and a second take profit would be at this next resistance. Okay, 155. But it looks like we don't know whether the price is going to come here or not. Okay, coming here, it's up to the market. If it wants to come here, then that's the best area to buy. If it doesn't, then oh well, you just have to wait for the next support to be created. Okay, you just wait for the next support. Most likely price is going to eventually come here. Once it hits this resistance, it's eventually going to come back down here, and then you can also enter buy again. Okay, so one way or the other, you can always enter buy. If you miss this one, just wait for the next pullback. Okay, so now on the 1 hour time frame, to understand what's going on right now, okay, what I see here, we had this double top pattern here. Price got rejected, but it didn't fall. Okay, instead it broke above this here. Okay, now I'm looking at the market a little bit deeply. So basically I see it broke above this double top resistance here. Right now it's using it as support higher. So yeah, so as long as it holds above 153.14, it should be able to push higher. So if I go to the 15, so this is the 15-minute time frame. I'm already in a trade. Okay, even on the 15-minute time frame, we can see that the market is basically showing us signs that it wants to go high. Okay, literally showing sign. There's this resistance here, but it should be able to easily break that resistance. Okay, but for me, I won't enter buy just because I don't like entering buy right at the resistance. I would rather wait for the price to do a pullback, just because it's a lot more safer. This one, yes, although there's a chance it's gonna go, but at the same time, there's also a chance it could out of nowhere just start reversing. So that's why better wait for the price to do the pullback. Okay, so that's USD JPY. Look to buy it between 153 153.70 78, 153.16 there. Look to buy here, and this is a level where it's going to return eventually. Okay, for now there's a possibility it's heading up, okay, to this resistance here. There's a high possibility it does that. That's fine. You can enter a sell here at 155. That's a very strong resistance, which you can look for a sell there, 155.25. That would be a good area to sell. And then yeah, so that is it for USD JPY. For me, I don't see any good buying opportunity right now. Okay, so let's head over to Bitcoin. Let's check out Bitcoin, see what's going on. Bitcoin has made a new high as well. I saw that yesterday. It went all the way up to 75,000. The way to 75,000, which is amazing for Bitcoin. You know, super, super, super amazing. So right now Bitcoin is at a whole new price level. Okay, on the daily time frame, it's at a whole new price level. There's literally no resistance right now on the Bitcoin price. The last resistance was at 73,800 and price broke above that, which is great. Okay, so now on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, okay, currently for Bitcoin here on the daily time frame, the support is at 73,500. Okay, between there and 66,000 is basically, as of right now, the level Bitcoin needs to hold. Okay, that's our current low on the daily time frame that Bitcoin would need to hold in order to keep going higher. If Bitcoin ends up breaking below 66,900, it's going to head down further. Okay, that's the current support on the daily time as for now. Now for Bitcoin, because it is in an uptrend, you want to look for buying opportunity. Best areas to buy, well, on the daily time frame would be at 73,500. Now it would be best. We need the daily candle to actually close above 73,500. There's still about 7 hours left for the candle here to close. So if it closes above 73,600, that would be great. Then that's going to turn into support for the market, and that could be the area to buy. Now let's check let me check the 4-hour time frame here. Let's see what's happening here. So on the 4-hour time frame, okay, 4-hour time frame, we see the price actually did break above. Okay, that's resistance here on the 4-hour time frame, which is good, but we don't want to buy here. Okay, even though price broke this resistance, you don't want to buy here. This is a really dangerous area to look for a buy. You want to buy when the price pulls back. And currently a good area for the price to pull down to on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Let's see. Okay, so 4-hour, you know, we have 70,000. This is a good area for the price to pull down to. So 70,600, that is the level where price could pull down to on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so 70,555, good area to buy there. And then on the 1-hour time frame here, well, we have this area here at 72,600, which the price actually already pulled down to right here. Okay, this current support 72,600, the price actually pulled down and it uses to go up, and we have this resistance here. So price is heading back to this resistance. If it gets rejected again, it could pull back down to 72,000 again. Okay, it pulled down to 72,700 again. This could be an area to look for buys. So between 73,400 and 72,700. Okay, so this could be an area to enter buy, but don't enter buy here just because the price is approaching resistance. It's too risky. Here you want to wait for the market reaction at this resistance, 75,400. If we get rejected here, okay, then you can look to enter a sell. But if we break above it, then you just wait for a new support to be built. As of right now, our support is sitting at 72,700 and 73,400 on the 1 hour. Okay, if we break below 72, then we're heading back down to 70,000. Okay, so this could be another area to enter sell. If the price breaks below 72,600 or 700, and sell down to 70,000. But for now, as long as it remains above 72, it's gonna go higher. Once it breaks below 72,700, it's gonna go down. Okay, back to 70,000. And the level it will make sure to not break below as of right now is 66. Okay, Bitcoin on the daily time frame, strong support at 66,800, so it shouldn't go below that level. So that's Bitcoin analysis here. We'll look at one more pair before I go up, and then I'll be back again at around let's check at gold actually. Oh my goodness, so gold is actually already getting rejected. You guys, gold is getting rejected. So for gold, we have a short-term selling opportunity right now. Okay, short-term opportunity to actually sell gold right now. You guys can enter a sell for gold, guys. I'm going to share this on the VIP. So enter a sell for gold, guys. Okay, I'm going to write down the like the digits and everything in a bit. I'm gonna post this on the group. It already pulled down to, let's wait for the price to pull back. Okay, if you didn't enter the sell yet, just kindly wait for a minute, because I would have taken the sell here. Okay, I want to see the price pull back up for me to enter sell. Okay, 26.78. This is happening fast, but let's open a sell. I'm gonna go on abato.com. This is the broker that I use and recommend for you guys to use. We'll use 0.2 here, enter a sell. So the sell is activated on Abato. And for this one, I just have one position open. You guys can take this sell here on abato.com. Register if you don't have an account with Abato already. Make sure you register using the link in my bio. So I just entered a sell right now. You can see currently up by $3. Okay, and targeting number 126.66. It's super late. I was gonna post this on the VIP, but it's too late. I'll wait. I'll have to wait for the pullback, but But currently, this sell here, best area to enter the sell is between 26.78 and 26.74. That is currently the best area. But this entire zone, by the way, is resistance. Okay, the price got rejected here already at the bottom part. Okay, so if it returns back here again and it gets rejected at 26.78, you can enter a sell here again. Okay, and then if it comes all the way up here at 26.83 and it gets rejected here, you can enter a sell here again. Okay, so guys, you wanna mark this resistance on your chart and then go to the 1 minute. Use 1 minute to use as your confirmation for the sell. This is scalping. Okay, this is how I scalp the market. We use the 1 minute as confirmation to enter the sell. Okay. It's too late. I feel bad. Alright, we'll just wait for the next opportunity. For those who are in the VIP, if you guys signed the live, I hope you guys took the sell. But if you're not, then it's fine. We'll wait for the next. I don't want to share it on the VIP because it's too late. For the entry, I'm going to be monitoring the market and wait. If we go here again, then we can enter the sell. Okay. And then if we pull here, then we can enter the sell. Okay. So that is it for gold. And I'm on this trade on Nabaro.com up by $43. Not that much. Okay. The price is already at the first TP, almost already at the first TP, which is at 26.66. So that was a quick sell, guys. Very quick sell. We're up by $50 profit. We're gonna close the trade. Okay, I'm closing the trade. This was a quick scalping. Remember, like I told you guys, this voice issues. Can you guys hear me? Or can you guys hear me? Hello guys, can you hear me? If you're in the sell, you can start closing some of the trades now, okay? Because this is a small resistance. This is a temporary resistance. So if you do that sell with me, you can start getting out of it. I already closed my position, so I'm no longer in that trade. Yes, but there is an echo. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it sorted out. Okay, I'm not sure why there's an echo, but I'll look into it and try to provide a better live later tonight. Okay. Also, if you guys have any recommendation of a good streaming service I can use for like YouTube Live and stuff, like give me on the Telegram. Okay, please message me on Telegram. If you have any recommendation of a good streaming software that I can use. Right now, I'm using this one called OBS, and it seems like it's not the greatest because the sound keeps acting up and stuff. I'm gonna try to look for a better one. So if you know of any good one, let me know. So for today's live, we are done. We entered just one trade, took profit, made about $50. I'll be back again at around 10 p.m. Eastern Time for the second live session. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, join the Telegram group to get more signals. Okay, Thank you so much for joining today's live. I'll see you guys later. Enjoy your day, guys. Bye for now.